Dua, or supplication, holds a paramount place within Islam, embodying a profound connection between believers and their Creator. It is a means of expressing heartfelt desires, seeking guidance, and fostering a relationship of intimacy and reliance on Allah. Both the Quran and the Hadith emphasize the significance of dua, highlighting its role in spiritual growth, seeking blessings, and finding solace in times of need. Dua means invocation, to call out, and is an act of supplication, meaning asking or begging for something earnestly or humbly. For Muslims, it is an act of worship in which we ask Allah for His forgiveness and mercy, to grant us His favors and answer our requests. The Quran reminds believers of Allah's nearness and responsiveness to their supplications. In Surah Al-Baqarah 2-186, Allah declares, "And when my servants ask you concerning me, indeed I am near, I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls upon me." This verse underscores the accessibility of Allah to His worshippers, encouraging them to turn to Him with sincerity and expectation. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exemplified the practice of dua throughout his life. He emphasized its significance by saying, "Dua is the essence of worship." This profound statement encapsulates the idea that supplication is not merely a ritual but a genuine expression of devotion and dependence on Allah. His actions and teachings further underscore the importance of persistence in dua, as he stated, "When you ask Allah, ask with confidence, and know that Allah will not answer the dua of a heedless heart." The Hadith literature is replete with instances of the Prophet Muhammad highlighting the power of dua. He stated, "Nothing can change the divine decree except dua." This implies that while the ultimate destiny lies in Allah's hands, supplications can act as a means of altering the course of events through divine intervention. Moreover, the Prophet likened dua to a weapon for the believer, asserting, "The dua of a Muslim for his brother in his absence is readily accepted, an angel is appointed to his side. Whenever he makes a beneficial dua for his brother, the angel says, 'Ameen,' and for you the same." Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also stressed the importance of consistency in making dua. He said, "The dua of a Muslim for his brother in his absence is readily accepted, an angel is appointed to his side. Whenever he makes a beneficial dua for his brother, the appointed angel says, 'Ameen,' and for you the same." Muslim, this hadith emphasizes the power of sincere prayers made on behalf of others and highlights the continuous interplay between believers' supplications and angelic response. Dua is not merely about asking for materialistic gains, it encompasses seeking guidance, strength, and spiritual elevation. In a well-known supplication, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught his companions to say, "O Allah, guide me among those you have guided, grant me safety among those you have granted safety, take me into your charge among those you have taken into your charge." This prayer showcases the Prophet's humility and his recognition of Allah as the ultimate guide and protector. The concept of patience is closely intertwined with dua. The Quran reminds believers that in times of adversity, they should turn to Allah in patience and supplication. In Surah Al-Baqarah 2-153, Allah instructs, "O you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient." This verse emphasizes the complementary nature of patience and supplication, and how they can alleviate hardships. Dua is a demonstration of faith and humility, an acknowledgment of human vulnerability and Allah's sovereignty. It fosters a deep sense of dependence on Allah while reinforcing the notion that He is the ultimate source of all solutions. By engaging in dua, Muslims tap into an avenue of communication that transcends time and space, offering them solace, hope, and a strengthened bond with their Creator. Dua holds special significance during times of distress and adversity. The Prophet Muhammad encouraged believers to seek solace and relief through supplication, saying, "Nothing dispels fate except dua, and nothing extends life except righteousness." This reminds Muslims that even in challenging times, dua can serve as a source of hope and comfort. The Quranic verse, "Your Lord has said, 'Call upon me, I will respond to you,' Ghafir 40:60, reassures believers that Allah's response to their supplications is not only guaranteed but is an act of divine mercy. This verse is a testament to Allah's compassion and willingness to answer the sincere pleas of His servants. In conclusion, the importance of dua in Islam cannot be overstated. It serves as a direct line of communication between believers and their Creator, promoting spiritual growth, seeking guidance, and finding solace. Quranic verses and prophetic teachings consistently underscore the accessibility and responsiveness of Allah to the supplications of His worshippers. Dua is not merely a ritual but a transformative practice that deepens one's connection to Allah and nurtures a sense of reliance on His wisdom and mercy.